you looking for a solution that increases security when using a web browser? First, in your web browser, enter the keyword 3Block system in the search bar. Our products will be displayed on the first page by Google. Let's take a look at the interface overview. Let's talk about the main features of the website. To start using the features, we need to log in first. First step, to register. Here we need to enter information, such as email, password, and display name. In terms of login page, we support 4 main login feature: login with email and password, login with Facebook, login with GitHub, and login with Google. After the login is successful, we will come to the first main feature, Analytics and Scan URL. Analytics URL feature is used by typing the URL into the search bar and then clicking the Analytics button. The result will be returned in a moment. We go to the blacklist and select some other sites to analyze. We choose a domain with medium level rating for testing. The result is received as a URL that ranks as medium, that is dangerous domain. We're going to check out another domain that has a high level. The result is high level, that is the domain is extremely dangerous. The result of a domain consists of a circular chart showing the malicious percentage of the URL, and finally categories. These are the URLs in the whitelist that we consider to be safe domains. Scan URL is used by typing the URL into the search bar and then clicking the scan button. As a result, the web page screenshot has been blurred. For the purpose of avoiding revealing sensitive images, the result also returns information such as server name, port, IP address, related links, GeoIP. Detect adult content URL feature. Start by entering the URL in the input box, then click the check button. The result will return yes if the input URL has adult content. The result will return no if the input URL does not have adult content. Forum suggest URL and message features. This feature allows users to suggest URLs they consider malicious to enter the blacklist database. The user types the suggested domain into the input box and then click the update button. This is the list of URLs that have been recommended by our community. There are statuses such as verification, reject, none, or confirmed by admin. The Messages feature allows users to compose content as a message and send it to the admin. Next, let's talk about the extension. To download the extension, we enter the search bar the keyword 3Block Capstone project, and the Google result is the link to the 3Block extension. Another keyword IAP 491 Capstone project can also lead to our extension. Also, from Google Chrome Store search bar, you can enter keyword 3Block to find our extension. To install extension, click Add to Chrome. Blocking malicious URL features. When you visit the website, if the domain is already in the blacklist, this page will be blocked. Let's check the blacklist. If you are able to access the blocked website, by clicking the Go This Link button, to continue accessing. Features Blacklist and Whitelist Custom. Click the gear icon on the extensions pop-up. This is what the blacklist and whitelist customizations look like. To add a domain, tap the Add Entry box, and enter the domain you want to add, and select to add. Switch button to activate. Let's check the domain just added by visiting the site. Successfully blocked. Switch button to deactivate. I will visit the site normally. If the domain is in blacklist and whitelist, it gives priority to whitelists. You can access the site normally. Go to our blacklist and get a domain. You can add an existing domain to your whitelist and visit it normally. To delete the domain, click icon X. Revisit the site, it's blocked. Analytics URL pop-up features. To use this feature, click on the 3Block extension icon. The pop-up will appear to indicate the level of malicious percentages and site ratings. Visiting the extension, youtube.com page returns a safe result. Go to our blacklist and get a malicious domain. Visit a malicious website that already exists in the blacklist. Click Go This Link to access, and then tap the 3Block extension icon. The result is danger. Children's Mode feature. In the pop-up extension window, press the Children Mode button. You must create a password when accessing for the first time. Once you have a password, you can block access to some features to prevent others by clicking a padlock icon. To unlock, you need to enter the correct password. Click the Children Mode button to turn Children's Mode on and off. Visit a website has adult content. Turn on Children Mode. Revisit that website. It was blocked. You can add the domain you want to block to the children's list. Revisit the website you just added. It was blocked. Revisit the blacklist and whitelist custom page. Add the domain VLXXX already on the children's list. Visit VLXXX website. It's still blocked because Children's Mode is being turned on. Add a discord.com domain to the children's list. Add a discord.com domain to whitelist custom. It's still blocked. History of Children feature. When Children Mode is being turned on, click the History of Children button to visit the History View page. Go to the Chrome Extension Management page and reset it 3 times. You will see when children visit the Chrome extension management page will be logged. You can delete the history by clicking the recycle bin icon. When children mode is being turned off, go to the Chrome extension management page and reset it 3 times. Go back to the history of children page, reset page. You will see the children's history will be recorded. Thanks for watching the video.